Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up WAMP. First, you'll need to download the WAMP server installer. Visit the official WAMP website and choose the version compatible with your Windows operating system, whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit system. Make sure to check for any prerequisites like Visual C++ redistributable packages, as these are crucial for a smooth installation. Having the right version ensures everything runs perfectly. Once downloaded, run the WAMP server installer as an administrator. This is important for proper permissions. Follow the installation wizard, accepting the license agreement and choosing your preferred installation directory. The default path, often C \WAMP64, is usually fine. You might be prompted to select your default browser and text editor. You can change these later if needed. Complete the installation, and then we'll move on to configuration. After installation, start WAMP server. The system tray icon will change from red to orange, then green, indicating all services are running. If it remains orange, a port conflict, often with port 80, might be the issue. Click the icon for service controls. Finally, open your browser and visit localhost for the dashboard, and localhost/phpMyAdmin to manage your databases. To test your setup, create a new folder in the www directory, for example, myproject. Inside, make a simple PHP file like index.php with some basic code. Then open your browser and go to localhost/myproject to see your page. This confirms WAMP is working. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.